Introducing Jamaica Health Box Prostate Supplement Capsules, a natural formulation designed to support a healthy prostate. This targeted formula combines traditional Jamaican herbs with scientifically backed ingredients to promote optimal prostate function and overall well-being. These capsules offer three key benefits. First, they help reduce inflammation in the prostate, a common issue as men age. Second, they support healthy urinary flow, reducing nighttime bathroom trips. Third, they promote hormonal balance, contributing to overall prostate health and vitality. Our formula includes saw palmetto, known for supporting healthy urinary function. Pumpkin seed oil, rich in essential fatty acids, aids in reducing inflammation. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, protects prostate cells from damage. And zinc, crucial for maintaining optimal prostate health. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve a natural solution, rooted in tradition and backed by science. Our carefully selected ingredients, sourced from the heart of Jamaica, offer a holistic approach to prostate health, promoting long-term well-being without harsh side effects. Take control of your prostate health today. Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more and order your prostate supplement capsules. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Jamaica Health Box, naturally supporting your well-being.